Our burgers are grilled to perfection. No shortcuts, crafted with real ingredients. Just fresh buns, juicy patties, stacked with fresh ingredients, made right. Your next burger obsession starts here. Get yours now.
This ad video was entirely generated using free AI tools. No expensive camera, no complex videographer, no huge budget, just free AI tools. Google recently opened up free access to its powerful AI video generator, VEO 2, for many Google accounts. You can create up to 5 8-second watermark-free videos per Google account. That means if you have 100 accounts, yes, you can generate 500 videos for free. But is this the beginning of AI video generators replacing traditional cameras? In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Google VEO 2's text-to-video and image-to-video features, and we'll finish everything in CapCut, also free. So smash the like button, subscribe to AI Academy, and let's dive into the future of video creation.
Part 1. Getting started.
Let's dive into Google VEO 2, and yes, it's completely free to start. Just sign in with your Google account and head to the Google AI Studio. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're there, open the Video Gen menu, and you're ready to create. Step 1. Image to video. Want to animate a still image? Click the Image tab, upload your picture, enter a prompt describing the motion you want, and hit Run. That's it. Here's the AI-generated video from this step. Step 2. Text to video. Prefer starting from scratch. Just type in your video idea, the scene, the action, the mood, and click Run. VEO 2 brings your vision to life, no camera required. Check out the result from this one.
Part 2. Google VEO 2 Prompting Guide.
Now let's talk prompts. To get the best results with Google VEO 2, keep your prompts clear and focused. Think in terms of 3 essentials: the subject, the action, and the setting. Want a cinematic or realistic look? Add details like lighting, mood, or even camera angles like close-up shot, golden hour lighting, or slow motion. Since VEO 2 generates short clips, it works best with simple actions like a dog running on the beach instead of a dog running, barking, and jumping over obstacles through a city street at sunset. Keep it tight. And don't worry if the first result isn't perfect. Tweak your prompt, change a word or two, and try again. Small edits can lead to big improvements. You can also get more control by combining an uploaded image with a written prompt. This helps guide the AI more accurately toward your vision. Feel free to copy the prompts I use in this video to create your own AI ad and learn by doing. Here are a few of the exact prompts I used along with the AI-generated results.
Part 3. Creating AI music, sound effects, and voiceover.
Now that we've created our AI video footage, let's bring it to life with music, sound effects, and a voiceover. Step 1. AI Music with MusicGPT. To generate background music, head over to MusicGPT and log in. Turn on the instrumental option, then simply describe the style of music you want, something like upbeat electronic for a food commercial or cinematic ambient track. Click Generate and let the AI compose it for you. Here's the music we got from that prompt.
Step 2. Sound effects. Next, let's add sound effects using the same tool. Type what you need, like sizzling grill, burger flip, or crowd cheer, then hit enter. MusicGPT will generate the sound effect instantly. Here's what we got for this part. Step 3. Voiceover with ElevenLabs. Finally, we'll generate a voiceover using ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs.io and create a free account. Then open the text-to-speech menu, paste your script into the box, choose a voice you like. I'm using the moment is now voice, and click Generate. Here's the final voiceover line for our ad.
Deluxe burger, we're loving it. Part 4, editing.
Now let's bring everything together in CapCut, which, by the way, is completely free to use. Open CapCut and import all your AI-generated elements: the video clips, music, sound effects, and voiceover. From here, it's all about your creativity. Trim clips, sync the audio, adjust timing, add transitions, use your vision, your instincts, and your style to give it that final, delicious flavor. Once you're happy with the result, click Export to render your final AI-powered video ad. Thanks for watching this step-by-step tutorial on how to create a full AI ad video using only free tools, including Google VEO 2. If you have any questions or want more AI content like this, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Academy.